Is the fear of drywall dust clouds keeping you from starting a renovation project? I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a way to sand drywall with less mess right after this. Outdoor concrete projects are quick and easy with Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag. Whether you need to set a fence post, mailbox post, or deck footing, or even pour a backyard patio, Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag makes it simple. To set a post, there's no mixing. Just pour the dry mix into the hole and add water. It sets hard in about 20 minutes and you're done. It's that fast and easy. Quikrete fast-setting concrete. Look for it in the red bag. Most interior renovation projects involve at least a little bit of drywall work. Whether it's building a wall, removing a wall, or patching a hole in the ceiling, sanding the drywall joint compound can create clouds of dust that blanket the whole house. So instead, try this. Use a grout sponge to dissolve the joint compound little by little. Soak the sponge in a bucket of water and wring it out so that it's damp but not dripping. Now lightly rub the sponge over the repair. As the sponge cakes up with compound, you'll need to rinse it out in a bucket of water. This technique also keeps from flattening out orange peel texture on existing walls. The sponge takes a little more time than sanding, but eliminates the clouds of dust. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.